Solar panel manufacturing starts with the stringer. First, the cells are placed into a magazine, and after that, the magazine is loaded into the machine. After this, almost the entire process is automatic. In between, there are a few processes where manual work is required, such as soldering or panel cleaning. These tasks are done manually, while the rest of the work is automatic. As soon as the cells are placed in the magazine and loaded into the machine automatically starts arranging them. Here, the process of string formation begins. After arranging the cells, the machine also keeps soldering them at the same time. After soldering, another machine cuts these strings according to the panel size. For example, if a panel of 72 cells has to be made, then the string is prepared accordingly. That means a cut is made after every 12 cells. If a 60-cell panel has to be made, then a cut is made after every 10 cells. In this way, the machine automatically keeps cutting and the string keeps moving forward. So here, 2 tasks are done. One task is done manually, where the glass is first loaded along with the EVA sheet. The second task is that the string made by the machine is placed on top of this glass. Then the string is sent forward. After that, the string is tapped so that the gap between the strings remains equal. After this, the strings are soldered. All soldering is done in series because all the cells in a solar panel are connected in series. In this way, all the cells come into series. After soldering, the extra material is cut off and the panel is sent forward. There, the RFID logo, serial number, and similar details are applied on it, and then the panel is sent forward again. Next, another EVA sheet is applied on top of it, and along with that, a back sheet is applied. After applying the back sheet, the panel is sent forward for EL testing. In EL testing, micro cracks are checked to see if any cell is damaged. Damage that cannot be seen with the naked eye can be detected in this EL testing. Only if everything is completely fine, the panel is sent forward for lamination. Lamination takes around 15 minutes. This machine can laminate 5 sheets at one time. As soon as lamination is completed, all 5 sheets come out one by one. Here, the panel is kept aside for some time, around 2 to 3 minutes, to cool down. This is because after lamination, the sheet remains quite hot. After cooling, it is sent forward. Any extra material on the outer side of the sheet is removed. Then the sheet is sent forward for visual inspection. Here, it is checked whether there is too much gap between the cells, whether there is any gap between the strings, whether the logo is applied properly, and whether the RFID and serial number are perfect or not. It is also checked whether any new crack has appeared after lamination. If everything is fine, then the sheet is sent forward. Here, 2 tasks are done. First, silicone sealant is applied inside the frame, and then this frame is attached to the sheet. Here, there is an automatic framing machine that joins the sheet and the frame together. After the frame and sheet are joined, the junction box is installed on it. Tape is applied over the junction box because the junction box cannot stick properly on its own immediately. After that, the panel is cleaned. Any extra silicone applied is removed, and the panel is cleaned completely from the top. After this, it is again sent forward for testing, where its testing report is generated. After that, finally, EL testing is done once again, just like earlier. If the panel passes this test, then it is sent forward. There, the testing report is applied on it, and then the warranty card is added. A hologram is applied, and stickers for the serial number and technical specifications are added. Everything is applied here. So you can see how much testing is done to make a solar panel, and only after that do we get the final product. After this, a cap is placed over the junction box, and a final check is done to see if there is still any issue or not. Then it is sent for packing, and after that, it is packed in the warehouse. This is how solar panels are made in India. That is all for today's video. If you liked the video, then like it and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. Along with subscribing, make sure to press the bell icon so that you keep getting such information from time to time. Thank you!